How to sync CapCut projects across devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sync CapCut projects across different devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, just log in into any of your account and make sure that the account that you log into has the projects that you want to sync. After you do that, you can head over to the library on the bottom. After you're on the library, you will see all of your space. You can see every projects that you've uploaded on your space. So what you can do is you can actually upload your projects that you have on your cloud space of your CapCut, and after you do that, you can just log in into any other devices, and then you can find all of the projects that you've uploaded on the library section under spaces. So if you head over to the edit option, there you will see your projects. Now you can upload this to the cloud. You can tap on this space and you can tap on your space where you can upload now. After you upload now, you will be able to just upload all of your projects that you want, and after you've done that, you can just log into any of your account and then download the projects using the cloud. And that's basically how you sync CapCut projects across devices, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.